Imagine a battlefield where AI, drones, and autonomous vehicles don't just assist soldiers, they redefine warfare itself. From tiny surveillance drones that can sneak behind enemy lines to armored vehicles equipped with next-gen missile systems, the future of military technology is arriving faster than ever. In this video, we're diving into 15 breakthrough emerging military technologies you absolutely need to know. Innovations that are changing the way conflicts are fought and reshaping defense strategy around the world. Strap in, because the future of defense is closer than you think. Scout AI NOMAD. Scout AI NOMAD feels like a step into tomorrow. An unmanned ground vehicle powered by Fury autonomy system that uses only cameras, day or night, instead of bulky sensors, making it light, stealthy, and low power. The Fury stack on Nomad is reportedly over 90% smaller and much more power efficient than previous versions, letting the UGV follow soldiers, scout ahead beyond line of sight, or carry out light tactical tasks with flexibility. While full specs like speed, payload, runtime, or price haven't been publicly released yet, the emphasis on low-cost COTS hardware and simplified autonomy suggests it aims to deliver big capability without the cost and complexity burden of older robots. Leonardo Proteus. Leonardo Proteus feels like the future of naval aviation. This 3-ton unmanned rotorcraft being built for the Royal Navy under a £60 million contract promises remarkable versatility thanks to a modular payload bay that can swap between anti-submarine warfare gear, surveillance sensors, or extra fuel. Its airframe draws on proven helicopter heritage, but uses advanced composites and AI-driven flight systems, part of a design philosophy that values flexibility, cost efficiency, and automation. While it's still a demonstrator, and no unit price is public beyond the project contract, Proteus already represents a convincing step toward autonomous, multi-role rotorcraft that could reshape maritime operations worldwide. Aerix Systems AXS-MU1. The AXS-MU1 feels like a leap forward in compact drone design. With a 40 by 40 centimeter frame, up to 200 kilometers per hour speed, and modular omnidirectional propulsion, it maneuvers with impressive agility, even flying inverted or rotating freely. Its 1.5 kilogram payload capacity, 750 grams typical, 20 kilometer range, and 15-minute flight autonomy let it serve versatile roles: reconnaissance, surveillance, loitering munition, or counter-drone interceptor. While official pricing hasn't been publicly released, AXS-MU, one's compact modular build and flexible performance suggest it's designed as a more affordable, deploy-anywhere alternative in modern tactical scenarios. Paladin Drone feels like a glimpse of how future drone defense will work. This multi-mission UAS from Zone 5 Technologies acts as a fully autonomous wingman, capable of intercepting hostile small drones, Group 1 and 2, dropping munitions, or even deploying a rifle payload for threats. Its modular design supports varied payloads, from electronic warfare gear to loudspeakers or spotlight systems for warnings, making it versatile for base defense, critical infrastructure protection, or military missions. While exact pricing isn't public, Paladin is built on affordable commercial drone components, hinting it may offer a cost-effective alternative to bulky legacy interceptors. Delta Black Raider. 330 Delta Black Raider 330 feels like a bold leap into the future of drone warfare. This hybrid electric, VTOL unmanned aerial system combines more than 28 hours of endurance, over 1,600 nautical miles of range, and a usable payload capacity of more than 100 pounds, enabling it to carry multiple sensors or even weapons for long-range missions. Its modular design and ability to operate in austere or GPS-denied environments make it adaptable for ISR, logistics, or strike roles. While official pricing hasn't been made public, Raider 330 is described as offering Group 4 capabilities in a Group 3 footprint at a Group 2 cost. suggesting a cost-effective, next-generation UAS solution for modern military needs. Shield AI XBAT reimagines air combat, a fully autonomous VTOL fighter-class jet that needs no runway. With an approximately 39-foot wingspan, over 2,000 nautical miles range, 50,000 plus feet ceiling, and internal weapons bays, plus external hardpoints, it promises strike, air-to-air, and electronic warfare roles from virtually anywhere. Ships, islands, or austere sites. Powered by Shield AI's HiveMind brain, it can operate even when GPS or comms are jammed. With a quoted price around $27 million US, XBAT brings fighter-class power at a fraction of legacy jet costs. It feels like the first step towards scalable, affordable, and terrifyingly capable autonomous air power. L3 Harris Wolfpack. Wolfpack feels like a paradigm shift in affordable, scalable air-launched munitions. Its first members, Red Wolf and Green Wolf, deliver long-range precision strike or electronic warfare capabilities, respectively. They can be launched from air, ground, or sea platforms and operate in swarms, using modular payloads and in-flight retasking to adapt to evolving mission needs. With estimates of $300,000 to $400,000 per unit, Wolfpack offers a cost-effective alternative to traditional cruise missiles, a potential game-changer for widespread deployment. Anduril Pulsar-L. The Anduril Pulsar-L is a striking example of how modern warfare is evolving. A compact, software-defined electromagnetic warfare system designed to bring serious power to frontline units. Weighing under 25 pounds and roughly the size of a shoebox, Pulsar-L delivers detection, identification, tracking, and defeat capabilities against threats like hostile drones or electronic systems, and can be set up in about 2 minutes. With its modular architecture, it works in both airborne and expeditionary configurations and can operate autonomously or be integrated into larger command networks. Although official per-unit pricing hasn't been publicly disclosed, the fact that it's marketed for mass production suggests Pulsar-L could offer high-end EW capability at a fraction of traditional system costs, making cutting-edge electronic defense accessible to more units than ever before. Lockheed Martin U-Hawk. The U-Hawk feels like the future of military logistics. A fully autonomous remake of the legendary UH-60L Black Hawk, stripped of its cockpit to add 25% more cargo space and fitted with remote fly-by-wire controls and the Matrix autonomy system. It can lift up to 10,000 pounds, internally and externally, carry heavy payloads including missiles or unmanned ground vehicles, and self-deploy over 1,600 nautical miles, or loiter up to 14 hours without refueling. With a single tablet, any operator can send it on missions, making it a potentially cost-effective way to deliver supplies, launch drones, or conduct resupply in contested zones. RTX RAIVEN. RAIVEN feels like the next leap forward in battlefield vision. A modular electro-optical/infrared sensing suite that combines hyperspectral imaging, LiDAR, and AI, enabling operators to see up to 5 times farther and much clearer than with traditional optics. Its platform-agnostic design means it can be deployed on aircraft, ground vehicles, or ships, delivering real-time detection, identification, and targeting even in contested or GPS-denied zones. While there's no public price per unit, RAIVEN's open architecture and upgrade-friendly build suggest it's meant for wide adoption. A strong value proposition for forces needing cutting-edge, scalable sensor upgrades without reworking entire platforms. Stm Neta. 300 Stm Neta. 300 feels like a breakthrough in underwater autonomy. Compact, 70 kg base, 85 kg fully equipped. Carryable by 2, and capable of operating up to 300 meters deep with up to 24 hours endurance. Ideal for persistent underwater missions. Equipped with side scan and gap-filling sonar, with optional synthetic aperture sonar, It can autonomously survey minefields, identify threats, or map seabeds with impressive precision. Its portability and modular design make it useful for mine countermeasures, anti-submarine operations, salvage, or even environmental surveying. Public pricing hasn't been released, but considering its versatile capabilities in a small deployable package, Neta 300 looks like a smart, cost-effective entry into modern naval autonomy. Rheinmetall Fuchs JAGM. Fuchs JAGM feels like a bold stride into next-gen land warfare. Built on the proven 6x6 Fuchs Evolution chassis, it carries 24 vertically launched guided missiles, AGM-179, JAGM, or AGM-114L Hellfire longbow, giving it rapid strike capability against tanks, armored vehicles, drones, or even air threats, all in a mobile, protected package. Its missiles reportedly reach up to 16-kilometer range, with a multimodal seeker offering laser and millimeters wave radar guidance for all-weather, day-night targeting. With modern digital vehicle architecture, improved drivetrain, CBRN protection, and versatile sensor suite, it's a powerhouse for modern battlefields. Public pricing hasn't been revealed, but this system clearly aims to offer tanker-killer power and aerial ground strike flexibility in a single-wheeled deployable vehicle. Saab Nimbrix. Saab Nimbrix feels like a wake-up call for drone-heavy battlefields. This compact, fire-and-forget counter-UAS missile is under 1 meter long, weighs less than 3 kilograms, and reaches out to 5 kilometers to intercept small UAVs. Its high-explosive fragmentation warhead detonates in an airburst mode, ideal for hard-killing single drones or entire swarms, even low, slow, or maneuvering targets. Designed for affordability and mass deployment, Nimbrix can be mounted on vehicles, tripods, or fixed sites, offering a practical, scalable layer of drone defense when full-blown air defense systems are overkill. While unit price hasn't been publicly disclosed, Saab clearly aims to make Nimbrix a cost-effective tool to plug the growing gap in counter-drone defenses. Kongsberg Payloads. Unlocking USV Excellence Kongsberg's USV payload suite feels like a quiet revolution for maritime operations. Tailored for uncrewed surface vessels, USVs, its modular sensors and systems, from hydroacoustic sonar and high-precision navigation, or positioning to data analysis tools, turn USVs into versatile platforms for seabed mapping, surveillance, oceanographic research, or maritime security. Because these payloads are built for flexibility and integration with multiple hull designs, they promise to lower costs and simplify missions that once required large ships. While there's no public per-unit price, it depends on configuration, the emphasis on modularity and reusability suggests this could be a cost-effective way to unlock USV potential, whether for civilian surveying or future naval operations. Bayraktar TB2. Bayraktar TB2 feels like a turning point in drone warfare accessibility. This Turkish-made male UAV blends endurance, precision, and affordability to punch far above its weight. It boasts up to 27 hours flight endurance, a 12-meter wingspan, 150-kilogram payload capacity, and can carry smart munitions like MAML missiles, while still gathering intelligence, reconnaissance, or surveillance data. With unit price often cited around $2 to $5 million, TB2 delivers a rare mix of long-range capability, reliable performance, and cost-effectiveness, which helps explain why it's become a backbone of several air forces worldwide.